Today we're making Korean fried chicken wings, crispy, sticky and packed with flavour. Tossed in a spicy gochujang glaze, they're golden, juicy and absolutely irresistible. These chicken wings are off the charts and I'm pretty sure they will become your new go-to chicken wing recipe. I hope you're all well. I'm Shane, welcome back to It's Cooking Good. So let's get cracking. It's really quick. I like to get everything prepared up front. And obviously we're going to be using some chicken wings and I like to keep my chicken wings whole, so I've got the whole chicken wing. If you want to cut them up and separate the drumlet from the flat, go ahead and do so, but I quite like these as one whole piece and I can separate them as and when I'm eating them. So to the chicken wings, I've got here some chopped garlic and ginger and I'm just going to throw that straight in with those. I'm going to season it with some salt and some pepper. Plenty of pepper, I love my pepper, although this is going to have a kick anyway in that sauce. And you're going to want some corn flour, quite a lot of it. I always go heavy on the corn flour because I want to make sure I've got plenty in there and they are well covered. So I'm going in with a load and it can become a bit messy, so hopefully I'm not going to spill this everywhere. And then here I've got some baking powder. I'll put all of the quantities down below in the description. And just get your hands in there and start to work this in. And just make sure you're working that corn flour. Don't worry, it is going to fly everywhere. I should have got a bigger bowl. Funny this stuff, isn't it? It just reminds me of sort of chalk. There's something sort of chalkiness about it, which makes me sort of my teeth go, but there we go. Anyway, get that nicely mixed in like that, and that's what you're looking for, all nicely coated. So your chicken wings could go to one side for the moment. Let's crack on and make the sauce, this lovely spicy glaze that we're going to put on at the end. We can get that out of the way now so we're ready to put it all together. Also at this stage, if you're not using a deep fat fryer, you can do this obviously on the hob in a large pan, vegetable oil. Just make sure you've got enough oil in there to cook the quantity of wings and make sure they're fully submerged. And I'm preheating this to between 170 and 180 C. Here I've got our gochujang paste and I've got 2 tablespoons in there. If you've never had it before, it's a Korean paste. It's nice and spicy, but not overly spicy. It's got a really nice heat to it. I've cooked several recipes over the past year using it and it is absolutely delicious. To that, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. I'm just going to eyeball it, probably about there. Some runny honey, and I want probably a good tablespoon of that, somewhere around there. Brown sugar, tablespoon, that's just a dark brown sugar. You want some rice wine vinegar, it's going to give it that nice tartness against the sweetness and the spiciness. I'm going to go in with a good, probably about 1.5 teaspoons there. And then lastly, a good teaspoon of good old English mustard. Get that in there too. Perfect, and just give that all a good mix around. That's it, nicely incorporated. That can sit to one side for the moment. Back with our wings. Make sure if you are using a deep fat fryer, your basket is nicely in the oil, and let's start adding these one by one. Shake off any excess corn flour and then just gently lay them in. I've got about 10 chicken wings here, but obviously I can't put them all in at the same time. You definitely don't want to overcrowd this oil, because they will just steam and we want these to be really nice and crispy. So I'd say I'm probably going to go in with 5 at a time and we're going to leave those to cook until they're nice and golden brown and cooked through 74 degrees C internal temperature. Okay, that's our second batch done. They can come out now. Took 7 minutes actually, both of those. And you can see they've got some colour to them, but they're nice and crispy. Let's remove those from our deep fat fryer. Then to a hot pan or wok, you want some vegetable oil. And to that, I've got 2 garlic cloves here, which I've just sliced, and half a red chilli. Put as much or as little in as you want, depending on how spicy you like it. Just cook that off, just to cook out the rawness of the garlic. To that now, your mix, your sauce mix. Get it all out. I'm going to add a few crushed peanuts. We'll save some to garnish at the end. And just make sure that is nice and hot now. And what you'll notice is it's starting to thicken a little bit, which is exactly what you're looking for. You want this to coat those chicken wings. That sugar's doing its work there, and the smell is absolutely amazing. And once that's bubbling away, back in with your chicken wings. And you just want to give those all a good toss around to make sure they're evenly coated. And that's it, just make sure all of those wings have got some of that lovely sauce on them. Just needs to be in here for a minute or so. Give it a little chefy toss if you like. And they are ready to go. It is that quick. Let's switch that off. I've got a plate somewhere here. And just get your wings nicely onto a plate. As a matter of fact, let's just do it all in one fell swoop. Oh, make sure we get all of that lovely sauce on there. And I like to just finish it off again with the remainder of our chopped peanuts and a few sesame seeds. And there we have it. My crispy Korean fried chicken. Let's give it a go. Can't wait to tuck in. Right, I am a flats man. I don't mind the drumettes, but I definitely go for the flat first. So let's put that to one side. Let's bite into one of these. A bit more of that sauce in there. Oh, that is amazing. That. The chicken is still perfectly crispy. So I'm getting it everywhere. It's sticky, it's sweet. You've got the spice of the Korean gochujang paste. Also got the chilies and the garlic that we put into the final sauce. It just comes together absolutely perfectly. This would make a great starter. Sorry, can't stop. Right, this would make a great starter, great sharer. Cook loads more up, stick them in the middle of the table. They will go down at an absolute storm. And it's not too spicy at all. Obviously, you could up that heat level as much as you like, but that for me is just perfect. Guys, that's it from me for today. I really appreciate you watching. If you're new to the channel and you like the content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Please also like, share and comment. It all helps the channel immensely and would be very much appreciated from me. I'll put all of the details of today's crispy Korean style chicken wings down below in the description as always. And all that's left for me to say is until next time, it's cooking good.